How to disassemble pedals. Place the bike upside down, adjust the foot pedal to the proper position, use a hex wrench, and remove the foot pedal in the direction indicated in the video. Important note, the disassembly direction of the left and right pedals is opposite. How to assemble the pedals. Install the foot pedal in the direction of the arrow marked on the left and right. Important tips: please confirm the left and right pedal marks before installing the pedal. The threads of the two pedals are different and cannot be installed reversely.